It is exactly what they want. Subtle and unobtrusive, contemporary, adaptable, almost invisible. Controlled almost any way you please, from your phone, by gently touching that beautiful flat surface, or even using your voice. For anyone installing the UWG5, it's a dream to set up, over Bluetooth if you like, without having to ask for Wi-Fi access. Or, if you prefer, via a quick and uncomplicated touchscreen routine. And it's so easy to operate, you won't have to worry about calls from frustrated customers. Just think about it. So much comfort, so little effort, from a name you know and trust. It's what they want. It's what you want. And it's available now. The UWG5 from OJ Electronics.